Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you about what is TDS. TDS is nothing but tax deducted source. Now, what is the meaning of TDS? The buyer deducts the tax from the payment made to the seller and pays it to the income tax department. So for doing this TDS, I have to create a new company first. So I will just create a new company here, create company, enter. You can say backspace because I would like to have it in my that folder. Select from drive, E drive, because my that folder is in my E drive and this is my folder, social tally, enter, enter. So you can just give a name of the company. I'm just giving my name over here, Social Mohan, enter, enter. State I'm saying Maharashtra because this company is in Maharashtra. Financial year I'm saying is 1st April 2025 and enter and then save it. Yes. So once you save this thing, your GST you have to make it no. You just say enter and come over here. So GST should be no here. TDS you make it yes. This is the registration number of the company. So that the number begin by company will give you. So I'm just typing the number here like this. This is the tag registration number. Enter. Here nothing will come. Now your deducted type, if it is an individual person, then you select individual, otherwise company. I'm selecting because it's a company, so enter. Here nothing. Here you make it yes. Alter details person responsible. Like who's making this TDS? Normally what happens is the accountant of your company will be creating this TDS. So you type his name here. And what is his designation? You type it over here. I'm saying he's an accountant. And all these details you'll have to put it here. At the moment I'm not putting, I'm just doing blank, enter. And then here it will be no, here also no, enter. Save it, control it. After that you have to come over here, create option, enter. Ledgers, you have to create a ledger called as purchase. So I'm just making a ledger called as purchase. Purchase will go under purchase account. This should be not applicable. Here is TDS applicable. It says undefined. Make it applicable by pressing spacebar. And over here there's an option called as create. Over here it's asking you the name. Here you type your TDS. Enter. Section is 206C. This the company will tell you. Or you can go to your Google and you can search also. That section will get it from there also. So whatever the section that you type it here, 20C is the section, enter, here nothing, enter. Here you PAN this saying is 5%, that the company telling, I'm saying 5% for with PAN and with PAN also. So both these options should be 5%, enter, enter, save it, yes. And then save the screen, control A. After that you have to make a ledger called as TDS, enter, enter. This will go in duties and taxes. Over here you select TDS. Here it should be TDS. Rest or nothing, save it, control A. Then we have to make a ledger called as sundry creditors. Like Rahul, we are buying some things from Rahul. So Rahul is your sundry creditors. So you make a ledger called as sundry creditors. Maintain bill by bill should be no. Here it should be yes. Is TDS deducted? Yes. Instead of unknown, you have to select this option called as company resident. Is TDS in the same voucher? That should be yes. And over here you select TDS which you have created, enter list. Here also should be yes. Use advanced TDS entry, yes. Here nothing, no. This will be no. Spacebar you press, undefined may and make it applicable. Select TDS, end of list. Here should be no, enter. At the moment I'm not putting the PAN number. I'm just leaving it blank, the PAN number, and I'm saying yes. After that you come out of the screen, escape, yes, escape. Now the entry part you have to do, come to vouchers and press this button of yours called as F9 for purchase. This types a number here, invoice number. I'm just typing a 001 as the invoice number. Date is not required. Party's name is Rahul. You have nothing, control A, control A. Purchase. What are you buying that has to be put over here, name of item. For example, I'm buying from Rahul shirts. So all C you press, create the stock, call as shirts. Enter, enter. under nothing. Category, if you want, you can say all C and put it under clothes, because shirts comes under this category called as clothes. Enter, primary, enter, yes. Over here, units all C and write down your piece. Enter, number decimal you can set to and say yes. Here nothing, save it. Control A, enter. Quantity is 1000 shirts we are buying. At what rate? 550 from Rahul. So the cost comes to 5 lakhs 50 lakhs. Enter. One more time enter and write down your TDS. So what will be the TDS we calculated? It is showing over here. See, 1 lakh 10. But some mistake is there over here. Just check it. Control A. This 5 lakhs 50,000 is there, no? 5 lakhs 50,000. So actually it should be 5%. So if I write here 5%, it should be 27,500. So what is happening over here is 5 lakhs 50,000. It is multiplying it by 20%. See, because why it is calculating 20%? Because I have not entered Rahul ka PAN number. So that's why I just say escape, come out of the screen. I'm not saving it. Come over here, alter option, ledgers, and Rahul, enter. So here one option is there, PAN number. So that PAN number you will have to type it over here. Otherwise it will not take it as 5% over here. So you just type a PAN number here. So I'm just typing a PAN number here like this. Enter, and save it. Yes. So now you come out of the screen, escape, and then do the entry again. Vouchers, purchase. I'm just typing the number here 001 as invoice number. Party's name is Rahul. Control A. Here nothing. Control A. Purchase. Shirts is the stock. Quantity is 1000. Rate is 550. So it comes around 5 lakhs 50,000 will come. Enter. One more time enter. One gap should be there. TDS. So now this is right. See, 27,500 is the TDS. So the total is coming to 5 lakhs 20,500. After that, TDS is cut. So once you done this much, you can save it. Enter and save it. Yes. So once you save this thing, you come out of the screen. Escape. Yes. Now how do I check this thing? You have to come here, display more reports. You can press D for display. There's an option called statistic report. Just come here, statistic report, TDS report, and there's an option called as form 26Q. Come here, press enter. Once you get this screen here like this is the screen, this one. Once you got this screen here like this, you press this button of yours from your keyboard, Alt S. Alt S is nothing but it says start payment. So you just press Alt S. There's an option called TDS, enter. Date will come here, 1st March, 31st March, enter. Deduct till date, enter. 206, that is the section, enter. TDS, nature of payment, and here all items, deducted status, and cash, enter. Once you've done this much, don't save it. You have to press this button of yours called as Alt P. Alt P stands for print. Option is there, current, enter. And then you come over here, configure. Now here you will have to see two things. One is your print TDS challenge should be yes, and TDS and TCS regular assessment, this should be also yes. At the moment it is no. By you press enter, it will make it as yes. And then you press escape key from your keyboard and click over here, preview, to see the form. So you get a screen like this. See, this is the form which you have to submit to the income tax department. So you have to take out printout, and this is the thing. The name will come here. See, my name is coming here because whatever name you have given in your that creating your company, that name will come here. See, and this is the tax which you have to pay 27,500 to the income tax. So this is how you can use this option of yours called as TDS. I hope you have understood this chapter. Keep on practicing, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.